the elevator. I thought somebody was coming, but it's just the elevator. Today it's amazing. Also today on the 30th of July 2023, this is Neitsytpolku University and 3 staircase C, and we just filmed staircase B here. We only need the staircase A here later.
Yeah.
Maybe at the same time, we'll see. Capacity is 3 persons or 204 grams. Built in 1955 by Kone with heavy and 4 fixtures. But here the base floor is open. But instead, the main floor, first floor should have been white. But
yeah.
It's going to be 70 years old in 2025. It's going to be inspected next time.
Yeah.
The symbol is 626.
Or okay, is the main floor.
Yeah. Oh, I see. It should have been white.
Yeah.
3 rods here. It has a really interesting architecture with the roof here.
Yeah.
It's rare for a 1950s building.
Yes. Neitsytpolku device that maintained by Schindler.
Interesting sounds.
Yeah.
The machine again. I hope it is low enough there. It should be.
Yeah.
Also, it's great that the interiors could be original.
Yeah.
So, another amazing find today.
Yeah.
It's also Finland. Ulrikas body has gas for Suomi and Finland. So the floor or basement floor or main floor. Street level also. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the cellar race and all the second cellar.
That's